dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, the chapters which we are going to cover are chapter number 19 and chapter number 20. And these are food from plants, and second chapter is Lucky 7. So children, this is classwork and the next page is homework. So for these chapter, let's see few slides and then we will complete this chapter.
Children, today we are doing this chapter number 19, food from plants.
And children, we get as you all know, we get food from plants, and really plants are very useful for us because we eat roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit and seeds of a plant. So really plants are very useful for us. So children, in this chapter we will see which all vegetable or fruit we get from where. Like if we are eating a carrot, so we are eating a root. Do we know that? So in this chapter we will just see what we really eat. The first one is a dash is a root. It is long and pointy. It has thin fiber sticking out of its sides. It grows under the ground, and you can see the photograph of this vegetable. So we get this vegetable from the ground, under the ground. It grows under the ground. The name of this vegetable is carrot. Children, please take care of the spelling and we will move.
Number 2 is a dash is a stem. So in this segment we are talking about stem, and we eat that stem also. And in further it has been written, it grows under the ground. It is light brown in color. It has black spots called eyes. So which stem we are talking about? We are talking about potato. And the mark which you see on the skin of this potato is called eye. Next is a dash is a leaf. It is round and firm. It can have many colors like green, white and purple. So here we are talking about a leafy vegetable, a leaf which we cook and we eat. And that is a cabbage. And children, we can see purple cabbage, white cabbage and green cabbage as well. Number 4 is dash is a flower. It is green and looks like a tree with a thick trunk. So can you guess this kind of flower we eat? That is broccoli. And it looks like a cauliflower. This is broccoli, which is green in color. It's very good for your health. Now next is dash are seeds that grows above the ground. Many can be found in a pot. Each one is round and plump and green. So this is peas. And what do we call the seeds of this peas? It is called pod. Whiz fact. So the whiz fact is a muskmelon is a large and round yellow-orange fruit. It is grown along the ground because it is so heavy. A muskmelon plant has curly stems. So children, this is whiz fact. because these muskmelon and watermelon, they are heavy. So these grown along the ground and it has curly stems. So children, now we'll move on to chapter number 20, Lucky 7. So children, as we are completing this chapter number 20 also, and this is homework page. So first we will write today's date and homework, and the name of the chapter is Lucky 7. So children, there are many things which are 7 in number, and that's why this 7 number is considered as a lucky number. So there are many universal things like days in the week, like colors in the rainbow, like musical notes. So there are few things which are mentioned there in your book as well. So let's see what is there in 7 number. There are days of the week. As we just now we have discussed, there are days of the week. 7 days are there in a week. So we have one clue, a spelling clue there. Like one word is been written there. We have to complete the spelling. So days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So as we have completed 7 days of the week. Now number 2 is colors of the rainbow. So how many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. But do you know the order, the correct order? The correct order is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So children, if you take the first letter of the color, so it becomes Vibgyor. It is Vibgyor, Vibgyor. So you can just read, you can just remember this Vibgyor, and you can just remember the sequence also. This way you can remember the sequence of the colors. So second is colors of the rainbow. Now Disney's 7 Dwarfs. So this is well known 7 Dwarfs, and the name are as follows: Doc, Grumpy, Happy, Dopey, Sleepy, Bashful and Sneezy. So you can see in this picture also there are 7 Dwarfs, and here by mistake Doc is there 2 times, has come 2 times, but there are 7 Dwarfs. Now next is musical notes. So as I told you, we have very many things which are 7 in numbers, and in that sequence we have musical notes also. So you must have listened this in your music class as well. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. And in Hindi, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Okay, so this way these are musical notes. So these are 4 things which are 7 in number we have discussed. Now Whiz fact. So the Whiz fact is there are many more sevens. Means there are many things which are 7 in numbers. Sindbad the sailor made 7 voyages, and James Bond was Agent 007. So this is all for today's chapter. Children, don't forget to read the Whiz facts for each and every chapter, and for half yearly from April to September. The chapter which are subjected will come in half yearlies. So children, I'll be sharing
in next class I'll be sharing the revision paper also. So children, we will be meeting next week. Till then, bye bye, happy learning.